I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to clear the Epic Games Launcher cache in Windows. Step 1. Open File Explorer on your Windows computer and then double-click your C drive. Step 2. Click Users and then click the name associated with your user account. Step 3. Click View to open a menu and then click Show to open a submenu. Click to place a checkmark next to Hidden Items. Hidden folders will now be visible. Step 4. Click AppData and then click Local on the next screen. Step 5. Click Epic Games in this menu and then click Saved on the next screen. Step 6. Delete any folders on this screen that contain webcache. Folders you could see include webcache, webcache_4147, and webcache_4430. After deleting these folders, your Epic Game Launcher cache will be successfully cleared. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.